We present you with a key to Broward County. We present you with a proclamation from the state senator, Rosalind Osgood, as well as from our state representative, Lisa Dunkley, and also Darrell Campbell. We present you with a tribute from County Commissioner Hazel P. Rogers, and we also present you with a proclamation from Congress.
From Congresswoman Sheila Sherkulis McCormick.
Yes, and so your name is actually written in the library.
His name will be written in the Library of Congress.
So we really appreciate your efforts, sir.